I picked Pride and Prejudice because I did one of Kate Hamill's adaptations a few years ago, Sense and Sensibility, and I just really loved the way that she put a contemporary spin on a classic piece.
I'm Madeline Garvin, and I play Lizzie Bennett.
I'm Sam Williams, and I play Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy.
Hi, I'm Jonas Wilcox, and I play Mrs. Bennett.
Hi, I'm Diego Cobo, and I play Mr. Bennett.
Hi, I'm T.D. Brody, and I play Mr. Bingley.
Hi, I'm Hannah Schell, and I'm assistant director and assistant stage manager.
I am Nick Sasaki. I am production stage manager.
And I'm Tegan Orr, and I am stage manager.
Hi, I'm Laura Russo. I'm the director of Pride and Prejudice.
Pride and Prejudice is about Lizzie Bennett finding her way through society, and she's resigned not to marry until Darcy comes to town.
Yeah, well, she's resigned not to marry for a while after that, but you know. Darcy is also resigned to hate everybody because he thinks he's better than everybody.
My favorite part is definitely in the beginning of the show where they play a game called Blind Man's Bluff. Because the very first time that we ever ran that, someone fell on me.
You're kidding. What? Mr. Von Hagel had us, the seniors, each of us got to design one of our own little circles, which are a big part of the set design, and the fact that we as seniors got to add that little personal touch to the set was really nice.
My favorite scene is probably where I'm playing piano, and then Rector Collins comes and starts singing in the middle of the scene in French.
Mrs. Bennett, she's very domineering. Some would say a little bit overprotective, or more like overzealous to kind of sell her daughters off. It's really about courting, you know. It's kind of it's a business. She comes off maybe a little much, but...
So when you were all left penniless old maids begging on the street for your bread, but it will be too late then to cry!
Mr. Bennett, he's very simple. He doesn't really care much about anything else besides his newspaper. He's very cranky. He doesn't really involve himself in his family's relations, and he doesn't necessarily love his wife until the very end.
No. Charlotte's our friend. Well, your horse-faced friend Charlotte's mother is a shameless fortune hunter, Jane, and she shall catch him up in a trice if you do not go.
Mr. Bingley, he's a lovable guy. His character description is that he loves the world and the world loves him. And he's just this rich guy who is young, rich, and handsome. And he's going after Jane Bennett, their daughter. Or more so, Mrs. Bennett is kind of pushing them together. But he really likes Jane Bennett.
Go see Pride and Prejudice!
Come see Pride and Prejudice! You should come and see Pride and Prejudice because it's not what you expect. It is not your grandmother's Jane Austen.